Welcome to qnawire.
So we have velocity of bicycle is equals to 16 mph and theta of bicycle is 15 degree and velocity of wind is 20 mph and theta of wind is 35 degree. So the relative velocity of wind with respect to bicycle will be given as minus Vb sine 15 minus Vw sine 35 from the component sine 35 comma velocity of ball Vb cos 15 minus Vw cos 35. So putting the given values, minus Vb is 16 sine 15 minus 20 sine 35 comma 16 cos 15 degree minus 20 cos 35 degree. So after solving this value, we can obtain the velocity of wind with respect to bicycle as minus 15.613 comma minus 0.928 mile per hour. This will be our first answer. Okay. So the next part is velocity of wind from the left direction. Okay. So the velocity of wind from the left direction Vw will be equals to 15.613 cos 15 plus 0.928 sine 15. So after solving this value, we can obtain Vw as 15.321 mph mile per hour. This will be our second answer. Okay. So this is our second answer. So now talking about next part. The next part is velocity of wind from the velocity of wind. We have asked about the next velocity of wind Vw will be equals to, from the third part, C part, this is B part. So velocity of wind in this part will be equals to 16 plus velocity of wind with respect to bicycle, and velocity of wind with respect to bicycle in tangential direction will be equals to velocity of wind with respect to bicycle will be equals to Vwb in tangential direction will be equals to minus 15.613 sine 15 plus 0.928 cos 15 degree. So after solving this, we can obtain the value as 3.14456 mph. So the velocity of wind will be equals to, from this equation, velocity of wind will be equals to 16 minus 3.14456. So the velocity of wind will be equals to 12.855 mph. This will be our third answer. Okay. So this is our next answer.